Do not let go your great opportunities just because some strangers will comment on you. Hi guys, my name is Vaishali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about that why you should never listen to anyone. Every day you are waking up with a healthy body, with a fresh mind, with new thoughts. Every day is a blessing to you. Every day is a new chance to achieve your dreams. Every day is a new chance to be creative. But you don't choose to do that just because someone you don't even know will judge you, will tell you that what you're doing is wrong. Do you think that if you listen to that person will come to you and will thank you to for not listening to for listening to them, and they will do everything for you that you really want? Do you think they will do that? No, no. They will only pass comments because this is all what they can do. They won't help you in your bad time. They won't support you in your bad time. They won't do nothing for you, anything for you. You are the person who will help you, will motivate you, will provide yourself. You are the only person who can do that for you. So you rather listen to yourself. You should listen to yourself, because all of these comments, all of these judgment and point of view and whatever, they won't help you at all. They won't help you to grow. They won't help you to provide yourself. They won't help you to become a better person. Only you are the person who can make yourself a better person. So you listen to yourself, not the people's opinion and comments. If you are a person who lives in like a middle class family, you have a good mobile phone, you have good body, you have good health, you have good family, you have good background, you have good money, and you have everything. You are literally blessed with everything, and you can do anything with that. You can do everything that makes you a better person, that help you to become a better person, can help you to reach your dreams. But you are not doing that. You are not doing what you really want to do, what you really love to do, what you crave to do. You choose to listen to the society. For what? The society will only try to drain you, try to put you down. And why you would listen to people, to the society who only try to put you down? If they are helping you and they think that you are a good person and they are trying to make you a better person, then you will think like, okay, they are helping me, and they are helping me with all my stuff, and they are trying to make me a better person. Like I am thinking that I am becoming a better person because of them. Then you can listen to them, but you know that they are suppressing your dreams. They are not telling you what you really want to do. They are not telling you that you are a good person. They are telling you that you are nothing. Then why you are listening to these society and these people? They have nothing to do with what you want to do, what you really want to be. And I feel it is our fault, it is your fault, it is my fault, because we let them affect us. They are saying what they want to say. They can say that. We can't tell people that don't say this about me, you can't say that. No, let them whatever they want to say about you. If they want to say something bad about you, let them. If they want to say something good about you, let them. But it is up to you, it is up to me, it is up to us. Are we letting these comments affect our goal? Are we these comments or these opinion, these judgment, letting affect ourselves, affect our goal, affect what we think, affect what we really want? If we are letting these comments affect ourselves, then there is a problem inside us, not with them. They are doing what they want to do, but you are not doing what you want to do. You are letting them affect yourself. You are telling them that whatever you say, I will listen. I will listen. You are telling them. This is why they are saying all of these bad things. If you don't listen any of this shit, if you don't listen, if you don't do that, they won't matter at all. You won't, if you do not let these bad comments, these bad judgments, if you do not let them affect you, you become a better person. You are becoming a free person. You are free from inside. You are willing to do everything, because these opinions, these judgments, they are not bothering you at all. You know, they will say whatever they want to say, but I will do what I want to do. I won't do what these people are saying to me. I will do what is giving me happiness. I will do what I really want to do. I am becoming a person who I really want to be. Do not listen to these people, please. I'm not listening to anyone. If someone, like, I feel that this person is really trying to give me advice in a better way, and not kind of make me feel a bad person, or a, any, like, any type of negative person, and they are genuine to me and they really want to help me, I only listen to these. And if someone try to insult me and try to tell me that you are a weak person and you are nothing, you don't have a personality, you don't have a career, okay, okay, this is your opinion. What do I do with that? This is your opinion. Anyone can have their opinion and anyone can say whatever they want to say. That's okay, but it's not fact. You know your facts, so you do what you know about you. I hope everyone knows the difference between opinion and fact. Opinion, get out, get out. What do I do with the opinions? You have nothing to do with opinions. You gotta do something with facts, and only you know your facts. So you do what you really want to do. You try to be the person who you really want to be. And if someone is saying bad about you, first of all, it gotta do something not with you. It's about them. They are the bad person. It's their mentality. It's not you. It's not you. If someone is saying something bad about you, it's not you. It's their mentality. So you gotta do nothing with that. Nothing at all. And if someone is saying something bad about you, like someone is abusing in your comment section and in your DMs and saying bad things about you, it shows how that person thinks. There is nothing wrong with your post, your reel, your story, your work. And if you are letting them affect you, that means you are losing all your opportunities, giving up all your dreams, and not living the life that you really want to live, not doing the things that you really want to do, just because some strangers will judge you, just because some strangers will pass comments on you. Do you really think it is a strong point to stop doing what you really want to do? Do you think that? These people are not doing anything for you. Anything. They have nothing to do. Why the hell these people's opinion are so much important to you? These people's judgment so important to you that you gotta listen everything whatever they say and you will do according to them. Why? This is your life, and if you want to live the life that you really want to live, you have to ignore them properly. You should never care about what other people think about you, because they are thinking wrong about you, because you are doing something really great. You are doing something really great for yourself. You are so near to achieve your dreams. This is why they are saying bad things about you, because they are not able to tolerate what you are going to achieve very soon. So do not listen to these people and do what you really want to do, because at the end your happiness matter for you, not these people comments and judgments. Only your happiness. You should feel so satisfied with yourself in whatever you do, And do you really think that listening to these people opinion and judgments will satisfy yourself? Never. Never. Only your happiness will satisfy your soul. In the end, only your happiness. So you really do what you really want to do and what is really giving you happiness. No, do not listen to these stupid people who have nothing to do. They have nothing to do with you. You don't have nothing to do with them. So why the hell you have to listen to them? Why the hell these comments are really affecting you? They should never. And they are only judging you just because they are not able to do what you are doing. This is why they are saying all these bad things about you, because they don't have the ability to do what you are doing. They don't have the courage inside them. What you are doing, they can't do that. This is why they are jealous. This is why they are saying all these bad things about you. They are feeling insecure. They are so insecure to you. This is why they are trying to put you down by saying all of these bad things about you. So do not listen to them. Do not give a damn about them. You do what you really want to do, because like I said, in the end, your happiness matters. Satisfy your soul. Make yourself happy. And yeah guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I will come back tomorrow with something new, something more interesting. Till then, take care. I love you. Bye. Bye.